So this is the finale for my Colourpop series. Now I did create a playlist just for other videos that I have planned in the future, but this one is the finale for this one in particular. So I hope you guys all enjoyed. Today I'm using the Kathleen Dream Street palette. I absolutely love this palette. This one I don't want to use all the time because I think she is limited edition. I'm not sure. Normally some things from like Kathleen's collaborations usually are limited edition, or sometimes they'll sell out and then they won't restock. I don't know. Okay, I just have a weird fixation and just admiration for Kathleen Light's collaborations. I love her so much. She's like one of my favorite YouTubers of all time. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this look. It's a blue smoky eye, but we played a lot with warm tones as well. It's a mix of warm and cool. So I hope you guys all enjoy. And if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I pretty much have like 75% of my makeup on. I wanted to test out like what I wanted to do with this eye in particular because I was really skeptical of what I wanted to do with the Dream Street palette because I knew I wanted to go in with blue, but I already have a video planned to go like full blue eyeshadow, so I kind of wanted to not go as deep. So I did go into, you know, the shimmery blue right here. I am thinking of maybe adding something else, but for now I'm just going to show you guys how I got to this step. I'm going to start off with my transition. I'm going to take these two matte shades right here and I'm going to go ahead and apply this as my transition. I like these colors a lot. I think Kathleen Lights did an amazing job adding these to the palette because they work so well. So now that that's on, I'm going to take my E35 by Sigma, taking this brick red shade, deepening up my crease. And what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to push the brush into my socket and I'm going to apply it right in that area just so I could get a really nice deep crease. Before we add the blue, we're going to add the depth. So we're going to take the darkest shade in the palette, which is right here. This is one of the ShopMissA foam ink brushes and I'm going to go ahead and apply it again right in the socket. And this color isn't going to blend very well on its own, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna apply it. It's gonna look like a line. We're gonna go back to the E35, take more of that brick red, blend on top. And this should help blend everything together, a little bit more seamless. If you can't seem to really blend it out all that much, don't worry because we're gonna cover it with the blue. I just wanted this to kind of show through underneath a little bit, just so, you know, there's a little bit more depth to the eye look. I didn't grab any additional shadow, but I'm gonna take whatever's left on the ShopMissA brush, put that in the outer corner as well. We're going to take a regular eyeshadow brush. This is the Sigma E55 and we're going to take that shimmery blue and we're just going to pat. So the reason why I also kind of did everything off camera was because I have been watching The Act on Hulu. I'm not done with the first episode yet, but oh my god. I have also been watching, before the launch of the show, I was also watching a lot of like Dr. Phil documentaries about the case because it is based on a true story and it is crazy. It is so crazy. Oh my god. If you guys don't know what it is, I highly recommend watching the Act trailer. Please watch it. Like, oh my god, I'm not a big show or movie person. You guys know me. I don't really talk a lot about that stuff, but oh my god. So pretty much what we already have is like shimmery blue all over the eyelid. It gets a little darker towards the outer corner, just a little bit. You guys can see that depth effect with it. I love that shadow, but I want it to be a little bit brighter because, you know, it's like 9 a.m. So I'm gonna take this cool tone silver shade with my finger and I'm going to pat that in the center of the eyelid just so I can have a little bit more brightness. You see it's like a faux halo. Love that. I want to go in with the really fierce wing. Okay, so I'm going to take my Joah I'm So Fly liner and today's liner is going to be real long. I'm going to go ahead and line my upper waterline with my Bare Minerals Lasting line. She needs to go. I'm so over this. So since I want like just the pop of blue, I'm just gonna do more so like a neutral lower lash line. So I am gonna go in with a brown eyeliner. I have this one by Marc Jacobs that I really like. This is their Brownie eyeliner. Lasts a really long time there and it just looks amazing. It's like a really nice warm brown. So we're gonna take that brick red shade and we're gonna go ahead and apply this onto the lower lash line, touching the eyeliner. And we're just going to blend this further down than normal, but I am going to take another shade to really blend it into the skin. We're going to use that orange shade right here, tap it off, and then we're going to go ahead and blend. Alright, now let's go into the Sigma E20. We're going to take that darkest shade right there and we're going to stamp it where we applied the Marc Jacobs eyeliner. For my inner corner highlight, we're going to take this rose gold shade and just apply that just so there's a lot more openness to the eyes, a lot more of an eye-opening effect. Love that for us. Today I'm going to use the Covergirl Exhibitionist mascara. She's honestly real good. I mean, I understand why people are loving it. First impressions when I did use it, I did not like it. But it just gets better over time and it looks real good. I realized I haven't used this mascara in a while too. This is the ShopMissA Skinny Lash. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my bottom lashes. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just that if I have a mascara and I could use it on my bottom lashes, then like, you know, why bother with a skinny mascara? But you know, when I started to do makeup and when I started to really get into mascaras, I used to love the Lash Discovery by Maybelline. I was like, people are sleeping on this mascara, and then I stopped using it because I don't know, I was so tired of always having to repurchase it because I felt like it always went out really quick. For my lashes today, we are using ShopMissA Brittany. If you haven't noticed, in this series, I used all of my ShopMissA lashes. I only kept the ones that I was really loving. Everything else, I kind of like sanitized it and gave it to my friends. Also, I can't remember if I said Brianna or Brittany. I feel like I said Brittany, but I don't know, I might be tripping. But these ones are a really nice, sparse, wispy eyelash. If you are a wispy girl, then you'll really like these. These are so beautiful. I love wearing these on like my natural days. These are my natural lash. Also, I know I said this in yesterday's video, but I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who has been showing me love on this new series. Of course, I do have things planned for you guys on other videos in the future on, you know, the series, but honestly, this is just a start and I don't know how often I'm probably gonna do it. I'm most likely gonna do it like every few months because you know me, I don't like to hoard a lot of palettes, and plus I don't have a lot of palettes from each brand. Mostly I always have like one or two, you know, here and there, but never like 5 or 4. So they're majority like affordable palettes. Which I mean is great because who doesn't love to save money, you know? But I just wanted to let you guys know because I did get a question the other day about it and I wanted to address it just in case, you know, you're curious on when's the next episode of the series coming. Ooh, this eyeshadow and these lashes. Ugh. So today I'm going to go out with my auntie. We're going to go to San Jose because she wants to go shopping. So I need a long wearing liquid lip. So I have this one, the I Love Satin and Colourpop Lip Satin, or Satin Lip, whatever you want to call it. Okay, listen, I had the lip liner, right? The one that I was using like a few days ago in the series. And then she broke, like she literally like fell out. And so now I don't have it anymore. So we're gonna try and like, you know, find a different lip liner. So I think I'm gonna go in with my BH lip liner. And this one's literally in the shade Nude. And this lip liner is honestly one of my favorites. It really does last on the lips and it looks so good. And then this shade's in the shade 951. I feel kind of cakey with my face makeup today. I don't know why, like nothing really wanted to blend, so I kept having to apply. So I think I'm gonna go in with something very hydrating. I'm looking towards my Wet n Wild. This one is a primer mist. It's a prep, set, and refresh. It's a 3-in-1. I do have a review on it on my channel, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray. Pan it off, girl. Pan it off. And that wraps up this video, you guys. I hope you guys all enjoy. Thank you guys so much for all of the love in this series. I will be sure to film more, you guys know. But for this look, this is the end, and I'm so proud of it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.